Another day, another lovely barbecue cheddar turkey burger from HelloFresh. Except I'm not using turkey. I use ground beef. Let's see what's in the bag. Brioche buns. Yummy, yummy. Mayonnaise. Chicken stock. Crispy onions. Some American cheese. Cheddar cheese. Some coleslaw, ketchup, what's this? Panko breadcrumbs, sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning, and some more crispy onions. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Put your meat in the bowl, add the 2 packets of panko, 2 packets of the stock concentrate, 1 tablespoon water, half a tablespoon of the barbecue seasoning. Now, if you're making 4 servings, you would just double the amount. Combine all the ingredients together to form patties. Now we're gonna cook them 4 to 7 minutes on each side. So I'm doing 6 minutes for now, and then I'm gonna flip them and see. Now the last 2 minutes on the other side, when you're cooking the burgers, you're gonna add the cheese, cover it until it's melted. Added the sauce on both sides of the bun, added crispy onions and some coleslaw, and let's dig in.